welcome along to another edition of BalloonTube, and today we're going to do the bat. Give it a little twirl around, alright, and the bat is, each wing is 160, the body is 160, and the ears are a separate 160 as well, so you need about 3.5 balloons for making this. The mouth, I'm not quite sure, I'll do a close-up later, but the teeth, he's got blood on and there's some blood dripping out of his mouth. When you do the red for that, you have to do the white edding pen first on the black and then go over the white edding pen with the red. But, I'll show you the close-up on that in a minute. So, to start off with, we're going to do the body. So you need to leave your 160 5 fingers uninflated. Alright, you need a 4-finger bubble, a 1-finger pinch twist. So this goes around here, pull that apart and twist it. Alright, then you need a 2-finger bubble, so squeeze the air, 2-finger bubble, another 1.5 finger bubble you're going to pinch twist. The wings are going to attach to that point later on. Another 2-finger bubble, and then squeeze the air. You need 2 1.5 finger bubbles that are going to be the feet of the bat. So little, I've got slightly different size feet there, so mind you, I think everyone has. So always try and get our bat the same. So these two get twisted together, and then you twist the 160 over the top, and that gives you 2 pinch twists. Alright, there we go. Then the knot of the balloon goes into the 2 pinch twists there. Let that round a couple of times, that won't come undone. And this is going to be the centre of your bat, the bat's body, alright? And then the wings are going here, and this is where you're going to put the centre of the ears in a little while, alright? So squeeze the air along. You need a 4-finger bubble and a 1-finger pinch twist. So this goes like this. This will get twisted round there. Alright. You need another 4-finger bubble and another 1-finger pinch twist. And then you need another 4-finger bubble, and that is going to go into the pinch twist here. Alright, now then, this is going to be the ears of where you're going to attach the ears in a minute. This is the centre of your bat, and this bubble here, alright, where the centre of the ears is going to go, just comes round and sits in the centre of the head. So we've got one side of the bat now. So we're now going to come down another 4-finger bubble there. Oh, I've just undone it. Let's try that back up. Always go around twice, and you know it's not going to come undone. Right, you need a 4-finger bubble. That goes into the 2 pinch twists at the bottom. Right, another 4-finger bubble. That goes into the pinch twist here, the other side of the head. Go around twice, that doesn't come undone, and your last 4-finger bubble back to the top of the 2 pinch twists for the feet. Alright, and that's all you need on that one. Now when I said leave 5 fingers uninflated, that's a little bit tight there, so perhaps you need to leave 6 uninflated on the first one. Alright, so let's deflate this in your favourite method, scissors, cutter, don't use your teeth. Alright, whatever you do, don't use your teeth. I think it's terrible. I always use your teeth, right? Now, here we go. I'm going to be, to tie that up, I'm going to be a semi-professional today because, look, I've got little scissors. There you go. I'm going to cut that off. Right. So this is the body of our bat, right? In a second, the other balloon, we do need to come across with, we've got a 4-finger bubble here, but for his face, you could have 2 at the front and 2 at the back. So we've still got to do that. So what we do, you get your next balloon, alright, and this one, we don't use it all, so I've left about, what's that, about 6 or 7 fingers uninflated, alright. And you tie this onto the side pinch twist, alright. You then need a 5-finger bubble and a 4-finger bubble. Alright, the 4-finger bubble is going to go on to the pinch twist in the centre of the head. So you just have to slightly open that up, get your 4-finger bubble around that pinch twist. There we go. And then Alright, the pinch twister sits sideways on. There you go. So it's sitting sideways on, so it just slightly pushes the ears this way, and you've got a 5 and a 4. Squeeze the air, you need another 4 and a 5. I nearly said a 5 and a 4 there, didn't I? So there we go, make sure it's about a 5 and a 4, isn't it? Let's have a quick measure. Yep, that's about right. And that goes around this pinch twist here. Alright, there we go. And now you need another 4-finger bubble over here to this pinch twist, and then one at the back. Alright, squeeze the air along a little bit, make it a little bit softer. 4-finger bubble, pull it nice and tight so it goes around that pinch twist. And then another one just at the back. Get another 4-finger bubble. And that goes around the other pinch twist. There we go. Right. And deflate that in your favourite method. Right. Oh, there you go. So we should be looking a little bit like this. Right. And this is where you're going to attach the pinch twist there to the wings in a second. So that's your body at the back. Now you need 2 1/60s, and there's between 4 and 5 fingers uninflated. Tie these up. You need a 8-finger bubble followed by a 1-finger pinch twist. You now need a 4-finger bubble, so squeeze the air, 4-finger bubble, and a 1-finger pinch twist. And at this point, could I ask you to hit the subscribe or the, I think there's a button now that looks like a bell or something, because every time I upload a tutorial you get an email, so that would be nice if you'd like to do that for us, or even share BalloonTube with a few friends. Alright, so you've got your 8-finger bubble, 1-finger pinch twist, 4-finger bubble, 1-finger pinch twist. You're going to come back with another 4-finger bubble, and that goes around this pinch twist here. Alright, that around there. You now need a 6-finger bubble and a 4-finger bubble. Alright, that goes around there. And then a 6-finger bubble to finish off. And that's one of your wings. Alright, I then just push the end of the balloon through just to secure it in place. And then it looks, it's got a bit of shape, the wing. Alright, so you do the same with the other one. You need, again, it's 5 fingers uninflated. You need an 8-finger bubble, 1-finger pinch twist, 4-finger bubble, another 1-finger pinch twist, that goes to there, twist that one to that one, another 4-finger bubble back to the first pinch twist, a 6-finger bubble, then a 4-finger bubble, and then your very last 4-finger, no, it's a 6-finger at the last one. Just tested you there, it's a 6-finger bubble. That goes around there. And then deflate these and tie them up. So get rid of those in your favourite method. There you go. And do the other one. And then let's just tie those up a couple of times, make sure they're not going to come undone. Get rid of the excess. I'm going to get my scissors again. Look at that. Semi-professional. And then there's your wings. Alright. And they go onto the pinch twist at the back there. Up those around the pinch twist. There we go. Right. And turn his feet round so you can see both his feet there. And there he is attached. Now all you've got to do is put his eyes on. Right. So his eyes, it's a 2-finger bubble. Alright. And I like to, you could just attach it to the side of the pinch twist and pull it, but you can see the side of, I prefer to push it through. I push it through these 2 bubbles here and then attach it at the back. So the snap goes through there, and then that gets attached around from the back of the pinch twist. Alright. And then I do split this into two, do two 1 finger bubbles, alright, and then the other end of the balloon goes through again, and that gets pushed through the back of the head, and then it gets attached around the pinch twist from the back. It's just, I think the eyes sit nicely like this, and then you've just got to push the eyes in. There you go. Lovely. There you go. There is our little back. Now you've got to draw his face on. Here we go then. So, you get your heading pen, and get the cap off. I put a little smiley face on. I normally do ask the children, do they want a scary bat? And generally they say yeah, and I just put some white teeth at either side of his smile. I'll come in and show you this a little bit more in close up in a second. Hang on. And this other one. And then if you want to put, one tooth's a little bit wonky than that one, that'll be okay. And then if you want some dripping blood, you do have to put a couple of dots on the black balloon with the head in, and then wait for that to dry and go over it with your red marker. But while it's waiting to dry, you can do the eyes. So do the eyes. I just do two lines up and down. Get 2 lines up and down, and that's a bit wide. I'm terrible when it comes to my artwork, especially when I'm being filmed. I like to think it's got a little bit better over the years, but hang on, will that do? That's about, probably not the best, but it'll be okay, you can see. I'll bring it close up. So you get your red marker pen, and while I've waffled on there, see that's had a time to dry. So just the bottom of the teeth, I've got a little bit of red, and then those 2 white dots, I colour in red, so it looks like he's got blood dripping from him. So let me just zoom this in for you. There you go. Hopefully you can see that now. Alright, so there's our back. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again, or give a little 12, slowly 12 round. We'll see you again on the BalloonTube another time. So that's bye from me. Thanks a lot. Bye. Cheerio.